this function element plan, and I can do one click for this precast element and choose from a database of templates that we have and we develop in the catalog, and say automatic selection of a wall drawing, and say OK. And it opens a drawing of this precast element depending on our catalog and what we prepared for it. So it has some information inside, like it's element type W, it's a wall, it's one piece. It's because this was, I think this was the only one unique, the others are repeating. And here is the center of gravity. You have a top view on here, a front view, we have dimensions for formwork, and we have a side view. And here are some legends that will appear when we add this as area reserved for fixture positioning. Now, if we go on the other side, we'll also have reinforcement detailing. It has its own style, but we can add. So it has a style where it shows per line. So for instance, mark number 1,